Hey guys, so today I received a package from Merit and I figured we'd do an unboxing together and kind of do my face for the day. Got a full set of stuff, so it'll be fun to try each product and get ready for the day. All right, let's see, what are some things that we got? So their new product that they recently just launched is the Signature Lip, and I'm really excited about this. So I'm gonna pick a color out of the two that I got. We got two. One is Tiger and the other one is in the shade Baby, but we'll do these at the end once our face is fully complete. I'm gonna go in with this Boy Brow 1890. It's literally the best brow gel. I love it. So this is in the shade Black Brown. I like natural brows, so I just like brush out as much as I can, fluff them up. Okay, I think they need more gel because this product is new. It just makes them look microbladed, and that's my favorite look. Okay, I don't know if you guys know this, but I recently took off some of the ends from my eyebrows, just off like the side. My brows used to go all the way down here, and I took off a bit to kind of shorten them. I'd seen like a couple people do it on TikTok, and I was like, my mom has always talked about me taking off my ends off my brows. She's like, it would be like a good shape for you, I highly recommend it. And for years I'd always be like, no. So then obviously as the older I get, I realized that she was right, because it was such an improvement to my eye and brow shape. I feel like it made my eyes look bigger and also make my brows look thicker. We're gonna do a natural look today, so I'm not gonna put on too much makeup, just a little bit where I feel like I kind of need it. This brush is literally one of my favorite brushes. It's an angled brush from, where was this from? Oh, Anissa Beauty. So good, look at that shape. It's like perfect for cleanups and concealer. And now we're gonna go in with the Merit Flush Balm. I got this in the shade Cherry. I've been kind of really into like purpley blushes, and this is gonna be my first time using one at home. So this is what the blush looks like. It's fun. It's a little it's easy to travel with, and I feel like that's so important with makeup for me, because like I'm always on the go and like back and forth. So compactability is important. I like to do my brush on the apples of my cheek. Everyone always goes up here. I don't do it up there because the purpose of this is to elongate your face. I already have a pretty long face, like it's a bit of an oval shape. So I like to shorten my face, and by doing that, I put my blush here. So I always put blush first before bronzer. I know everybody puts bronzer on first and then blush. I put my blush on first because I use more blush than I do bronzer, and I like to kind of cool down the blush with the bronzer. So if I've put on too much blush, the bronzer helps counteract that. So I kind of do it a little bit opposite, but here we go. So okay, that's where I place my blush, and then I'm going to take my blush brush and swoop it out. I feel like that came out so natural. Like, it just looks like a nice rosy glow. So I'm gonna leave it there, take it a little bit across my nose, and just perfect. Okay, so this is their complexion stick. I can't talk this morning. This is their complexion stick. It is in the shade Sepia. So I'm going to be using this as a bronzer, even though it's kind of supposed to be a concealer. I've always wanted a liquid, you know, kind of stick version of my bronzer instead of powder. And I decided to use this opportunity to do that because I already do have this in the shade Custard that I do use as a concealer for like blemishes and under eye, and it's phenomenal. So I was like, we're gonna do the bronzer version of this. So I have one of each. So this is the head. And I think it's just like so functional, easy to carry around with you. You use this to swirl it up, and then you can just swirl it back down. So we're gonna do, so they say to go this way to also help shorten the face. And don't mind my sideburns, I just cut them. This is like my first time ever cutting my sideburns because I was trying to figure out if I wanted to laser them off or not. We're still deciding. So we're gonna do here to help shorten this face. There's nothing wrong with a longer face. I just already have a long face, so I don't really need to like get a little fancy with it. So for this, I'm gonna use this little flat-headed brush. It's really tight bristled, and I feel like it works best with bronzer. So we're gonna go up with this. I feel like that blended out so easy. We are all bronzed out. Perfect for summer if you've got like a summer tan going on and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, you just want something really light and glowy. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up with a little bit of mascara. Mascara is from Velour. I use it because it is a peptide, and no, sorry, it is a tubing mascara, which is perfect for those that get a lot of raccoon eyes because it's not oil based, it's water based. So oil cleansers can't remove it off your eyes. You need to just use pure water, which I think is amazing. And what's important for me is that it doesn't like give me raccoon eyes throughout the day because I do have longer lashes and they tend to just like spread mascara around. So I've moved on to tubing mascaras. So if you are interested in something that's easy to take off, don't want raccoon eyes anymore and you're like a victim of it, look for a really good tubing mascara. There's a lot of them in the market right now and they're really popular. It was such a surreal experience the first time I used one of these mascaras because I like knew that water took it off, but I didn't realize that oil cleansers do really nothing for them. And I still used an oil cleanser to like rinse off my makeup, obviously, and I went over my eyelashes and my eyelashes were not washing off, and I was like, oh my god, are these stuck on forever? And then as soon as I got a little bit of water on them, they rinsed off. One eye down, one more to go. Wow. All right, we are fully applied. Quick cleanup. Lipstick time, which is the best time. Ooh, cute case. Look at that packaging. This is Tiger, which is more of a, I want to say like burgundy brown, and this one is Baby. So she's more of a natural nude. These colors are absolutely beautiful. Really big fan of the color formula. I think I want to go with the brown. I'm gonna go with Tiger because I feel like nudes are fun, but I really want to do browns. It's really creamy. I love that. It's so soft. That is such a beautiful color. It feels so moisturizing. Like I don't feel like I need to like layer over with chapstick or anything. And I feel like it really brightens up my face. I love that color. Tiger for the win. I'm gonna link everything in the description below for each of the products that I use in that exact shade, so that way you have an idea. So you do have a reference to go back to if you're interested in any of the products. Check out their new lipstick, the Signature Lip. It is such great quality, the texture, the formula. It feels amazing. It's glided on so perfectly. High pigmentation with gloss. And look how cute these packaging, and look how cute their little cases are. Like, it's see-through, so it's cute, it's, you know, warm, fun, and I feel like they put a lot of care and thought into this lipstick, and I love that. Easy to throw in your bag to carry with you everywhere. And I'm a huge fan. Like, I feel like this face just came out so good. And a lot of it had to do with the makeup application. So that's it for this video. It was super quick. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions about the makeup or the brand, leave me a comment. If you liked anything or if you didn't like anything, also let me know. So I'll see you guys in the next video.